All right. Here's what's going down. I'll try and make this video short and sweet. It's another Kinghuman giveaway. So here's what's going down. You can win this Vector robot, and it's a pretty cool little robot. You'll see this, come and watch this video here and see how it works, and it's pretty trippy. Second prize, you could win a VR headset. Third prize, waterproof Bluetooth earbuds. Now, the link to this contest will obviously be right below this video in the video description. This is a contest where you can earn points to increase your chances of winning. So once you go through here, you'll see what happens. You put in your name and your first name, your last name, all that stuff. I'm not going to spam you. You're going to get information on updates on the contest. The contest is going to run for 10 days. As you can see, here's the countdown clock is already ticking. And what is this? What is the purpose of this contest? Well, once you sign up, you're going to see that it's going to encourage you to show people my website. Now, why am I doing this? Because I have been inundated with people hitting me up saying, Kinghuman, you got to help me. I've been hit with this coronavirus thing. I'm out of work. I can't make money. Help me. You know, you're making money online. You made over $1 million in profits online. Teach me what you do. Well, the fact of the matter is, I have nothing but empathy for you, but I'm only one person. I cannot teach one-on-one training to 2,000, 4,000, 5,000 people. It just can't happen. I can't even do that on a Zoom. I can't get that many people on a Zoom chat. So what I decided was the best way to proceed to try and help as many people as I can on the path to their success is to get them to take the first steps. And the first steps is to come in here to my website and get as much preliminary training as you can, as they can. So what I've done to try and help people in this dire situation is I want to give them free access to the website. So what I've done is I have set up a free trial membership for anybody. And this is for a limited time because I'm not sure how this is going to go. I may have to stop this because I might get flooded. I don't know. But anyway, if you send people to this website, and you'll see how to do that in the contest, right after you enter this contest, you'll be taken to a next page, and it'll show you how many entry points you've gotten, and it'll show you how to get more entry points just by sharing your link to my website. So this is going to do several things. Like I said, I've made over $1 million in profits, not in sales, in profits put in my pocket by doing the kind of thing I'm trying to teach you via this contest. So this contest, basically, you're going to sign up, and then you're going to get your own link where you can send people to this website. Now, that link is going to be hard-coded to you, and you're going to get points for everybody that comes here and takes action, right? So what this is basically simulating an affiliate program. Now, affiliate programs are how I made over $1 million. So this is going to do several things. First of all, it's going to train you. It's going to give you a basic overview on how affiliate programs work. Secondly, you're going to help your friends by giving them a free 7-day trial membership, and that's going to get them an education in how to make money online from home. So you're going to be helping them out. You could even do it yourself, right? So if you click on this button, or they click on this button, you'll see it takes them to a checkout page where they can get a free trial membership. So you'll see over here it says $20 a month. Yes, that's what I charge for access to my website. But you're getting, or they're getting, a free 7-day trial. And the trial end date is based on when they join. So I want to give as many people as I can a 7-day free trial to the members area. Inside the members area, you're going to see something called the money pages. Now, you're free to run around in the money pages, take as many courses as you want, download as many courses as you want. There are even a bunch of done-for-you businesses in a box that you can slap your name on and sell as your own product. And again, you will not be charged a penny until after the 7-day trial ends. Now, once you join, you can cancel anytime. You don't have to stay a member. I'm not trying to trick anybody here. My thing is, once you get into the members area and you see all the training, all the education, all the done-for-you businesses in a box, that I think you're going to want to stay a member. And that will help you a lot. So that's what's going on here. Come here, enter the contest. You'll see what's going on. You'll get your entry form. You'll get 5 points right off the bat just for joining the contest. And then you can earn 50 points for, I've only got 2 things in here for you to do. You can earn 50 points if you refer people to the website, and you can do that over and over and over again, and there are instructions on the next page after you enter. And then the other thing is you can earn, I think, 20 points if you go watch one of my YouTube videos. Simple, not rocket surgery here, right? And I hope I've put this together right, and I hope that it can help you guys make some dough. So there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it. It's your life. But, what else is there to do? This is kind of like a free pull at the slot machine, right? Anyway, there it is. Maximum respect by Inara. I hope I'm helping you guys. I'm trying my best. Any suggestions you have, just make them below, and I'll get on it. Cheers.